What a wonderful Wednesday here in West Michigan. Light breezes, warm temperatures, low humidity, and plenty of sunshine. Doesn't get any better than this, or does it? 13 weather ball is still red. We have a warmer Thursday ahead, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Take a look at those blue skies all across West Michigan, from the lake shore to up north and into Grand Rapids, and especially in Holland. Tulip time underway there. Beautiful weather for tulip time. Just a tad bit cooler than inland. You're in the low 70s with that onshore breeze. Everything looking bright and clean in Holland. Temperatures right now are in the low 70s along the lake shore. 64 though up in Ludington, kind of chilly. Once you get away from the influences of Lake Michigan, warms up quickly into the mid 70s, including 78 over in Lansing. We're currently at 75 here in GR, running anywhere between about 5 and as much as 10 degrees warmer, although Ludington, you're 5 degrees colder than you were yesterday at this time. Lots of sunshine across the region, and we're going to stay sunny throughout the day tomorrow up until late afternoon. High pressure in control right now, but some of these high clouds are going to stream in as we get through the afternoon and evening tomorrow. You can see these overnight staying clear. Here come the clouds. Look at all this rain off to the west. That's going to take until Friday to get here. These are showers and thunderstorms. I think more of the area will see rain on Friday, but the good news is high pressure is going to be building down over the weekend. We did say Saturday would be dry. It now looks like that high is going to be strong enough to keep all of the rain to our south on Mother's Day as well, although it's going to be mostly cloudy both Saturday and Sunday. All of our rain now will come on Friday. There could be up to an inch of rain around Kalamazoo southward. We may end up with about a half an inch here in Grand Rapids. Further north you go, there'll be significantly less. In fact, north of US 10, probably no rain all the way into the weekend. That is certainly great news for the moms out there and just about anyone else that wants to do outdoor work. Temperature-wise, we'll be up around 80. Look at these 80s back to the west. That will be the warmest day here tomorrow out of the next 10 days. We'll be only 75 here on Friday. Further north you go, it'll be warmer than down south, and around the mid-70s during the day on Saturday. Long-range outlook, we are going to cool down from May 16th through the 20th. During that 5-day period, our highs are around 70s. We'll be probably in the upper 60s, but still a higher chance for less precipitation. Tonight, another clear night, mid and upper 40s to the north, around 50 Muskegon, Holland southward. Clear up north as well, mid and upper 40s here. Light west wind this evening. And here in the greater Grand Rapids zone, around 49 to 50, 48 down in Kalamazoo. 13 on your side forecast. So the only day with showers and thunderstorms for the weekend will be on Friday. Mostly cloudy, 76 Saturday. Much cooler though on Sunday and 63. Next week, right around or a little bit below average to start the week, closer to average. There might be a chance of a shower next Thursday night, but otherwise a nice week coming up next week. Another delightful day here in West Michigan, and we have more of this kind of weather on the way. 13 weather ball tonight is red. Even warmer weather ahead. Tomorrow will be the warmest out of the next 10 days. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. How about taking the dog for a walk? This is Pax. And Jim, take Pax for a walk here. You got that look there, don't you? You want to get out. I'm going to give you a green paw for your evening walk, where temperatures will fall from the 70s into the 60s this evening, and in the 50s for your walk tomorrow morning with another green paw. Lots of clear skies, just a few high clouds here and there. Almost a carbon copy, instant replay of today's weather here tomorrow on our Green Energy Report. A lot of sunshine, creating lots of green electricity, 9.0 out of a 10-point scale. Again, very light winds throughout the day tomorrow. Again, a very delightful day. Just a little bit of haze in the air. This is from wildfire smoke up in Alberta province. All of that has been moving into the northeast. We've got just a little bit in our area. Right now we've got some scattered showers up here in the UP, but high pressure right overhead just to our south and east is keeping all of that at bay. However, some showers down to the south eventually going to spread some high clouds in our direction. We'll start out the day on sunny with these high clouds filtering the sunshine tomorrow afternoon, and then that slug of rain coming up during the day on Friday. Just about everyone will see at least some rain, thunderstorms, I-94 southward, heavy downpours in those areas. We took the rain out of the forecast for Saturday. That's still holding true. And now high pressure building down from the north is going to keep all the rain away from us on Sunday now, although it'll be significantly cooler with that northeast breeze. North of Grand Rapids, lots of sunshine, but again, it'll be a cooler day. All of the rain now will fall during the day on Friday. Generally from US 10 southward. Heaviest will be from I-94 southward, and then very little, if any, the rest of the weekend here in West Michigan. There'll be more over in northern Ohio and Pennsylvania. In terms of temperatures, we're going to warm up to near 80 here tomorrow. Onshore breeze at the lakeshore will keep you in the low and mid 70s. Mid 70s here on Friday, with warmer temperatures to the north because there will be fewer clouds, and then some of that cooler air starting to filter down on Saturday. Only in the 50s north. We'll still be in the mid 70s, but cooling off on Sunday. Speaking of cooling off, from the 18th through the 24th of this month, temperatures will continue to be a little bit cooler than our average highs in the low 70s. All the warm weather squeezed out west, but the storm track is going to be well to our south and west, so we have a high chance of seeing less precipitation in our area. Forecast for tonight: clear or mostly clear skies. Temperatures mid 40s, Ludington and Hart, around 50 from Holland and Muskegon southward. Up north, you could expect temperatures to fall down into the mid 40s, upper 40s around Greenville, and mostly clear here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Overnight lows between 48 there in Kalamazoo to 50, Hastings, Battle Creek, and Ionia. 13 on your side forecast. Only chance of showers and thunderstorms now will be on Friday, when it'll also be humid, almost feeling summer-like. Cooling off to 63 with mostly cloudy skies on Sunday. Next week, right around or a little bit below average Monday through Wednesday. Next chance of rain after Friday comes Thursday night, and then more dry weather as we get closer to the following weekend. So all the way around, looking really good for weather here in West Michigan.
Looking forward to it. Thank you, George.
Another delightful day here in West Michigan. We're going to continue that tomorrow as well. And the 13 weather ball remains red. Still that warm weather ahead, and by Friday it'll be humid. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Temperatures away from the lakeshore, mid and even upper 70s, made 80 in Mount Pleasant. Cooler at Lake Michigan, 69 Ludington, low 70s at the lakeshore. Our average high is 68, so we did better than average, and we matched our forecast high today so far. That's a bullseye, 2 days in a row within 3 degrees of that forecast. Lots of sunshine. You notice there's a little bit of a milky haze in the air. That's just a very thin layer of some wildfire smoke coming down out of Canada from Alberta province. That is in the northeastern U.S. Now we're going to stay clear here tonight and during the morning tomorrow before some of those high clouds come in from the south. These are leftover clouds from showers and thunderstorms. Just mostly cloudy day here tomorrow. There's going to be a slug of rain coming up on Friday. This is Friday at 7 a.m. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Friday. You can see all the way up to almost US 10, and then it just kind of pulls to the south. And we did talk about yesterday, the rain is going to take a break then on Saturday, maybe even a little bit of late day sun at the lakeshore. And now on Monday, because high pressure is building down, it is going to be dry now on Sunday. All the rain is going to stay just to our south, but it will be cooler north of US 10, where temperatures will only be in the 50s. We'll drop into the 60s. In terms of rainfall, all of this now will come during the day on Friday. Kalamazoo southward, you could see an inch plus worth of rain, and once you get north of US 10, no rain is expected to fall at all. This will be a very sharp dividing line. We could see a half an inch or so here in the greater Grand Rapids area. So we've got some quiet weather coming up here later on this weekend now. Temperatures tomorrow will climb into the low 70s north, upper 70s Muskegon, Holland southward. The clouds will increase first to the south and then gradually move to the north. Upper 70s to near 80 in the northern portions of our viewing area, and from Grand Rapids southward, everyone getting up close to 80 as the clouds will be increasing throughout the afternoon. 13 on your side forecast. Cooling off from 76 on Saturday to 63 Sunday, around 70 Monday, and in the upper 60s on Tuesday, Wednesday. Next chance of rain after Friday will come Thursday night, and will stay pretty close to average, right around 70 plus through and into the following weekend.